is what we call fun. Kevin cutting wood, Liz over there splitting. I'm about to go and drive the UTV and deliver the wood back to the garage. We use the backhoe to keep the wood off the ground so he doesn't kill his back all day. And we'll go take a look at Liz. We'll go see how she's doing over there on the log splitter. Hey, did you pick that up? I figure I should start massaging her now. All right, I gotta go deliver all this to the garage. I need to build more of these square racks on pallets. I use the forks on my tractor to put them in here in the garage. It's not the best. I'd rather leave them outside in the sun so they can dry out the wood a little better and then move them in here as we need them. So I gotta build some more, but today, I'm getting you guys dizzy. Today, we filled that one and we're starting to fill up the corner, and we'll fill that all up with wood and just keep going.